Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how exactly to connect Mailchimp with a Wix website. First, you need to own a Wix website and a Mailchimp account. Second, it's pretty simple. The process is basically go into integrations, go in here and search for Wix. Once you have done that, you will find Wix right over here. You will find a blog about this article about everything about Wix and Mailchimp integration and what does it do and how can it help you, so you can exactly know what are you looking for and what will you expect from this integration to do. Click on connect, or in case you didn't have a Wix site, then click on Wix site from here to create one. I'm going to click on connect, and this will take me to another page where I will have to connect into wix.com. Now here I'm going to click on continue, and it will take me here to log into my account in wix.com. So the integration is pretty easy and pretty simple as long as you do have the both accounts. It's gonna be very easy and simple. Here we go. Let me just connect, and I'm gonna choose this account, and let's wait a little bit more. And as you can see, here it is loading for me. And once this happens, I'm gonna select a website. And once I have done that, in case my website was good and ready to go, I will click on add, and it will be added automatically in my Wix apps. And just like that, the connection has been made successfully. Now we can continue and view it on the other side of Wix, or basically just keep using it from Mailchimp side. So this is how the integration is done. This is how you can connect your Wix website with Mailchimp. Simply now, all you need to do is synchronize now to synchronize every single data, and you are basically good to go. So that was it. Thank you guys a lot for watching. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. And see you guys in the next video.